Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So I have Xiaomi Mi A3. Recently, I flashed a custom ROM of Android 11 on my updated Android 11 Mi A3. That is Paranoid Android version 11. Now, if in case after flashing this ROM, using it for a few days or for weeks, now you want to go back to stock ROM, then you can only flash Android stock 11 version. You cannot flash the Android 10 version. Remember, if you have updated to Android version 11 on Mi A3, you cannot go back to Android 10. So how to go back to stock Android 11, like how to flash stock Android 11 back on Mi A3? I will go to my settings of my mobile phone. This is the Android version 11 Paranoid Android security update January 5 2021. If you are using a custom ROM, definitely the bootloader will be remain unlocked. But if you are on Android 10, you want to flash Android 11 on your Mi A3, then you need to unlock the bootloader first. I will provide the video link in my video description. Watch that video, unlock the bootloader first, then you can flash manually Android 11 on your Mi A3. First of all, if you have a data on your internal storage, make or save all your data, make a backup. Then second thing, check the battery should be charged around minimum 50%. Then go to settings. If you have set the screen lock password, then go to security and turn it off. Then go to accounts, sync your Google account once and remove it. And if you are new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe it, click or tap the bell icon, stay connected with me. Your support is most important for me. Thank you for doing that. Now I will power off the device and moving towards my computer screen. Link is provided in my video description. When you click the link, this website will get open. Right now, currently, Europe region Android version 11 is released for the Mi A3 for download and for flashing. Global ROM is still not released. The one that old version, which was released back in December 2020, the version was 12.0.1 global, which make Mi A3 brick a lot. Mostly Mi A3 was brick. So I will not advise you to go for the Android 11 12.0.1. This is the current Europe region ROM, which is safe to flash on Mi A3. So I will advise you to currently go for the Android 11 Europe region ROM for flashing on Mi A3, and you can flash it without any hesitation. So check the fast boot type and the date 2021, then come down here, click on download. Next page will get open. Check the few things again here, that is the region Europe, right? Mi A3, and the flash method must be fast boot, and check the release date again 29/1/2021. Then click on here Xiaomi server and the ROM will start downloading. Right, this is my downloaded folder. First of all, download Mi Flash 2017 if you haven't installed it on your Windows. Otherwise, if you have already installed, then there is no need to reinstall it. If you didn't, then download it and extract it first. Then open the extracted folder, double click the setup file, install it on Windows. This Mi Flash will help us to flash the stock ROM on Mi A3, and also after booting the set into fast boot mode, the drivers will automatically get installed. Right, go back then and extract the stock ROM here. Just check the extension name must be TGZ, right? Extract it here. After extracting the ROM file, open the extracted folder. You will see another folder here. Double click, open it. Must see all the flashing files. Go back and copy this particular folder from here and paste it to the main hard drive partition. That must be C, D, E or F or any options you have. Do not copy this particular folder on the desktop or documents. This must be on main hard drive partition, not to be in subfolder, right? So I will paste that folder on my F hard drive partition. Folder copied on my main hard drive partition. Double click on it, just confirm that all the flashing files are there, then go back and rename this folder. Just make it little bit short, bring it to M, then press enter. Now go to the desktop location. You must have the Xiaomi flash icon on your desktop. Double click on it, then click yes on next window, and the Mi Flash will get open. Now click select and go to that hard drive partition where I just copied that for my stock ROM folder. It was F. I will click on it and you will see the ROM file here. Click on it. You must see the images folder here, right? And click OK. The Mi Flash is ready. Now come down here. In case if you want to relock the bootloader of your Mi A3, then you can leave this selection. The ROM will get flash and the bootloader will also relock. But in case if you want to flash custom recovery later, then flash custom ROM later, then like me, I want to flash custom ROM later, then I will click here and I will select flash all. What will happen? The stock ROM will get flash and the bootloader will remain unlocked. So we can do anything later. Now coming towards my mobile phone must be power off. We need to boot mobile phone into fast boot mode. For that, press and hold the volume down key, then power key, hold it, press until the fast boot screen appear. Release both keys. Connect the cable with mobile phone. Other side of cable must be connected with computer. After connecting the cable with mobile phone, Windows will give you a sound, which means that the set is get connected. Now come on the Mi Flash software screen. Now click refresh. The Mi Flash will detect the mobile phone. Here it is, the progress bar. Just check the flash all selected. If you want to keep the bootloader remain unlocked, then come here, click on flash. The flashing will get start. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. Just wait. Do not plug any USB or do not open any video file. Wait, let the flashing complete, then we will continue. When flashing got completed, the set will get reboot. Disconnect the cable from the mobile phone and we are done with the computer. From the computer, I will I will close this Mi Flash. Now wait for the mobile phone. Let it boot. The first boot will take a little time. After when the first boot complete, then we will continue. First boot complete. I will complete my setup screen. Finally, we are back to stock ROM. Going to settings, then to about phone. You will see Android version 11. The Android security update is 5th Jan 2021. The build number is 12.0.3. The 12.0.4 is not released yet for this Europe region, but it will be released soon. So this is how to flash the stock ROM back on Mi A3, the Android 11. If you were on custom ROM, take a good care of yourself. If you got helped by this video, do not forget to like it and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Goodbye.